Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to turn off autoplay on Netflix. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to netflix.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Netflix. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not logged in, do log in right now. You can scroll down and look at all the movies and CDs available. But right now we simply want to turn off autoplay. So let's look at that. In the navbar, at the rightmost section you will find your profile icon. Simply hover over it and then from here, let's go to accounts. Now you will be redirected to the accounts tab. You have lots of options here to go to like membership, security, devices and profiles. What you want to do is simply scroll over to the profile section and from here in the profile settings, select the profile that you want to edit. Now this is the profile settings for the respective account. You can scroll down and under the preferences tab you will see many options like languages, viewing restrictions, but simply scroll over to playback settings. It's right here, simply click on it. Now right here in the playback settings you will be given two options to cancel autoplay right here. Right here says autoplay next episode, autoplay previews. You can simply turn them off from right here. And once everything's okay, simply hit on save. Well guys, that's how you turn off autoplay on your Netflix account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.